Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and I am decorating my desktop calendar from the Happy Planner. I did not use this in November, so I am excited to get back into the swing of things for December, and I'm going to do it a tiny bit differently by making it more functional than it is decorative, or at least that's my vision right this second. And let's go ahead and start. So I have a lot of things that I need to white out up here because I'm going to put December really big up here. These Mambi sticks, these letters are absolutely massive. So I have not been able to use them really anywhere else because they're so big. So I want to use them here and see how they fit. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so yeah, this is big. This is like really big, but I like it. I wanted to use this tree and then some of the other big stickers from my Christmas scrapbook paper set. So let's do this. These stickers are like super thick. So I want to do the reindeer and the snowman like down here ish area. Okay. And I definitely like this bow, and I'm going to put it on top of the tree. Okay. All right. Then I want to cover this up and put like a big box so I can label this, or maybe just put washi. Actually, that might be good. And then this. So I think I have a hard time using this desktop calendar because there's so many things I have to cover up. So I'm not totally sold on keeping it like forever, but I'm not gonna waste it and not use it, you know? Okay. All right. So this is like a long sticker, and I'm gonna use it for traveling stuff. So right here, my husband will be traveling, and then over here we will be traveling, kind of like going into both days. And in this video, I'm going to not keep this as a before the pen. I'm gonna actually like fill it in and stuff as I go. Now I'm gonna pick out the washi. So these are my holiday washies. I like this no peeking, but I like to use that on when I'm wrapping gifts, so I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I'll do this one. Okay, and I actually want another thick one so I can like layer them. This one with the trucks and trees and boots. So cute. Okay, now I'm gonna use this because I'm gonna use the rest of it. And decorate up here. So that's kind of like an open spot. And then right here too. Now, how can I like this holly jolly. Just kind of like do that. And then these ornaments, I'd really like to use so there are 3 of them. Maybe I could put them, yeah, I can kind of like put them on the side. Maybe put one right there. And maybe I'll just keep them together. Okay. Now, all the rest, these little snowflakes, I'm gonna put within the December. And then from there, I'm gonna do all of the functional things. All right, so now I can, this is the same sheet that I used when I decorated my monthly in my catch-all planner. So I'm going to kind of put down the same things and make it functional. So then I use it more. All right. Okay, I'm gonna use these little page flags for all of the things, unless there's something else. But I think that that would be probably a good plan. I also could use this, as this actually fits in a monthly box. So I could put this on the 20th, like, what is something important that's happening? I don't know if I need to have important on it, so I'm gonna actually cut important off and put it sideways. And put that to be the first day of winter. I gotta figure out where I want to put all these things. All right. What I wanted to figure out is how I'm gonna put down all of the important things. And I can always have a list over here. Reminder, personal, yeah, I'm gonna do page flags. Okay, so decision is made. I'm gonna stick these up here because I really can't start sticking things down until the functional part is done. Okay, so that is all of the functional things. Lots of reminders and little notes to myself. But at the same time, there's not much, decorations going on inside of the month, which I suppose everything will start filling in, but kind of feels like I should do something, like I'm not sure how I want this to be made into a list, but I just remembered I have lots of paper that I punched. I could start putting some of those in there. I don't know if I really want to though. I like the way that it looks. I think it's very functional, very useful. I don't know, what do you guys think? You think I should add more things? The other stickers that I have are here. I really want to use this Joy. I'm just not sure where to put it. I guess I could put it up there. No. Don't know. Maybe there's good. I really like this, but I feel like it's gonna be good on another spread that I'm thinking about. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. It says Silent Night. So, since I am keeping it like this is kind of a quick spread. It's not even a spread, it's my calendar. It's a quick page. I like it though, and I think I'm gonna hang it up on the wall. It has these 2 holes. I think I'm gonna hang it up on the wall so I can write on it easier. I'm gonna see how that works out. Okay, well, I'm all done. So let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys soon. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.